How are you today? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? How was your day? How was your day?
It was busy but productive, thank you. It was busy but productive, thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in an apartment downtown. I live in an apartment downtown. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago originally. I'm from Chicago originally. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I enjoy coffee in the morning. Yes, I enjoy coffee in the morning.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3:30. It's 3:30. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with some friends. I'm going hiking with some friends.
Can you tell me the time? Can you tell me the time?
It's 4:15. It's 4:15. How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I read a good book. It was relaxing. I read a good book.
Can you help me find the library? Can you help me find the library?
Sure, it's 2 blocks north of here. Sure, it's 2 blocks north of here. What do you study? What do you study?
I study computer science at the university. I study computer science at the university.
How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and turn right at the traffic light. Go straight and turn right at the traffic light. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm outside. It's sunny and warm outside.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I haven't eaten since breakfast. Yes, I haven't eaten since breakfast.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. Black with no sugar. Yes, please. Black with no sugar.
Are you feeling better today? Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better. Thank you for asking. Yes, much better. Thank you for asking.
I'm a teacher at the local school. I'm a teacher at the local school.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus or ride my bicycle. I usually take the bus or ride my bicycle.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read?
I mostly read science fiction and biographies. I mostly read science fiction and biographies.
Yes, I have one older brother. Yes, I have one older brother.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop and jazz music. I enjoy listening to pop and jazz music.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Of course. Here you are. Of course. Here you are.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish. Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
What did you eat for lunch? What did you eat for lunch?
I had a salad and some soup. I had a salad and some soup.
Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's on Main Street next to the bank. It's on Main Street next to the bank.
Would you like some water? Would you like some water?
Yes, please. I'm very thirsty. Yes, please. I'm very thirsty.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading, cooking, and hiking. I enjoy reading, cooking, and hiking.
Did you watch the movie last night? Did you watch the movie last night?
No, I was busy finishing my work. No, I was busy finishing my work.
Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, there's a nice Italian place nearby. Yes, there's a nice Italian place nearby.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Luna. I have a cat named Luna.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I really love pizza and pasta. I really love pizza and pasta.
Are you free tomorrow evening? Are you free tomorrow evening?
Yes, I don't have any plans. Yes, I don't have any plans.
How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 3 years. I've lived here for 3 years.
Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go jogging every morning. Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
My number is 5557890. My number is 5557890.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, please feel free to sit here. No, please feel free to sit here.
Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I completed it last night. Yes, I completed it last night.
Where did you go on vacation? Where did you go on vacation?
I went to the beach with my family. I went to the beach with my family.
Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea, especially in the evening. I prefer tea, especially in the evening.
How was the concert? How was the concert?
It was amazing. The band played so well. It was amazing. The band played so well.
What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my parents in the countryside. I'm visiting my parents in the countryside.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I learned when I was a child. Yes, I learned when I was a child.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes. Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk?
That sounds nice. Let's go now. That sounds nice. Let's go now.
May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question?
Of course, feel free to ask me anything. Of course, feel free to ask me anything.